Fetty. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited. I know I say that all the time, but I genuinely am so excited because today I'm gonna make a Japanese bento box. I'm excited because it's already 3 o'clock and I have not ate anything today besides chocolate covered almonds and coffee. And now I need some real food. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys. Bento boxes are like a traditional Japanese lunchbox essentially, but it's packaged in like this cute lunchbox, so it has like different layers. So I'm gonna make it in this today. Obviously, like you don't have to, you can just put it on a plate. Usually you take these bento boxes like to school or to work, and my okachan always makes them in the morning. I think it's like more common for like the woman of the house to get up early and make this for the family. Yeah, this is gonna be super freaking good. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna make the rice first. I'm gonna get that started because it needs a second to wash the rice, set it, let it soak. If you're Asian, then you know it was, did you clean the rice? So just start off with a cup. Okay, so this is your rice cleaned. I just used about a cup, and then I think maybe like a cup of water. You just want to cover the rice and then let it sit for about like 15 minutes, I think. I'm just gonna let it sit while I prep the rest of the stuff. Okay, so next I'm gonna get the karaage started, which is just Japanese fried chicken. So we're gonna get chicken thighs. So I went to wash, or like, you know, rinse the chicken, and I bought the wrong chicken. It's supposed to be boneless chicken thighs, but it's fine. I'll just cut the bones off. But just to save you some time and just make it easy for you, make sure that you get the ones, like the skinless, boneless ones. Honestly, if you get the ones with the skin, it's fine because it'll just kind of make the, it'll make it more crunchy, more just really good. Okay, so the chicken is cut, and you can just roughly cut this chicken. Make sure to keep the fat on here. You don't need to cut it off. And like I said, just make sure that you get it without the bones, because I feel like I wasted some chicken. So for the marinade, you're gonna use soy sauce, sake, sesame oil, garlic, and then ginger. Smells so good. It's just the garlic. Okay, so this is good, mixed, marinated, massaged. Now it just needs to sit in the fridge for a little bit, probably like an hour. So I'll get started on the other stuff and then we'll get back to this. This is so good. It's calpico. I keep calling this something else. Like, I've always grown up calling this calpis, but calpico. Oh, calpis, yeah. Calpis, calpico, lychee juice. The lychee is good. I've never had a lychee. I don't even know if that's how you say it. Leche, lychee, but it's so good. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like a, I don't know, it's just like a really good flavor. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna make while the chicken is marinating is potato salad. So as you guys know, if you watch my video, I literally just grabbed this like so nonchalant, but let me set that down. If you watch my video, the Japanese hamburger and potato salad, that recipe is in there too, but I'll show it again in this one because it's literally my absolute favorite. It's so good, so good. Please make this at home. But yeah, I'm boiling the water to put the potatoes in there, and then we're gonna cut the ingredients. But you just need potatoes, cucumber, ham, corn, and Kewpie. And you need a boiled egg. Okay, so the water's boiling, and we can just dump the eggs into the pot. Like literally just dump the potatoes in the boiling water. You don't have to worry about cutting, peeling, any of that, because after they're done boiling, you can just literally peel them off, and that's a trick that my mom taught me. So just listen, continue watching, hit the like button, subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cook this rice. Okay, so the potatoes are still boiling. I cut everything, laid it out so I could just dump it in the bowl whenever those are done. Probably like, I don't know, I should have honestly cut them in half because they're like kind of fat potatoes. But I think probably like 10 to 15 more minutes. Okay, so the chicken is done marinating. I'm going to beat an egg. Okay, so after you beat the egg and mix it in with the chicken, just get a plate of flour, and then I'm just gonna keep this hand wet, this hand dry. All right, so we have the potatoes, they're done boiling, so I'm just gonna scrape off the skin. Like I said, it's so much easier to do this after you're done boiling. Okay, so here's the moment you guys have not been waiting for, but I have. Taste test. I did it, oh my God. Last time I made this, I kept having to add stuff into it, but this is literally perfect. I love this. This is my favorite. Okay, yeah, that's ready. Okay, so next we're gonna make tamagoyaki, which is always in a traditional Japanese bento box. And it's just a beaten egg that I am beating right now. And then dashi is the seasoning. This is what it looks like. You can get it from the Asian market. I'm not really sure like what it is, but it adds a really nice flavor. You don't have to add it. I mean, you can just do like salt and pepper too, but like the dashi is really good. I'm gonna put sesame oil in the pan to heat up. This is the brand that we like, but it's so good. I love using sesame oil on any type of Japanese food, and it's especially good if you like making fried rice to use sesame oil. Okay, so don't skip this part because it's really important to make sure that you cook the eggs properly if you want an even consistency and like a roll. I also got a paper towel to smooth this out. That way it would be easier to flip the egg, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So you just want to put, let's see, test, okay. You just want to start by putting a little bit of egg, like this. honestly not that bad. Could have been worse. So next I'm gonna make onigiri, which is like the last thing that we're making. So it's just little rice balls. So I put my rice in a different bowl to cool down. I have a bowl of salt water, and then I have some Japanese marinated seaweed that I'm going to put into the rice ball, along with I don't know what this is. It's like pickled, it's kind of like pickles, but it has, I think, kale or something. It's literally so delicious, like a salty flavor. So I'm really excited to make this because this is my first time doing it. Let's get into it. Okay, this is actually the time you guys have probably been waiting for. Me too, because it's literally 6 o'clock. I don't know why it took me so long to get this done, but here we are. So we're going to plate the bento box. So this is the bento box that I have. The egg. Okay, so I had a great time filming this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was so good. Even though it took me 3 hours, it should only take you probably like 20 minutes besides the prep time, which is just marinating the chicken. So if you do that like overnight or something, 20 minutes. Please comment down what you rate my bento box on a scale of 1 to 10. I mean, this looks so good. I'm so excited. I am literally so proud. I'm so excited to eat this, you guys. We have to taste the chicken yet because I haven't tasted it. So we already know the potato salad's good. The chicken came out perfectly. Definitely give this a try. Subscribe if you like this video. If you want me to make more bento boxes, let me know.